Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Milan, how are you?
Good.
Milan is not here. Irhan is not here.
Ma'am, today can you show your dog? You told me today you will.
I cannot show my dog because dog is in Kerala and I am in Andhra Pradesh.
Oh.
Dog is like 28 hours away from me.
Oh no. Yeah, is it she or he?
It's a he. Dog's a he.
What is his name?
Snow.
Snow. Wow, that's. I was thinking like Kaya or something. Yeah, it's white color. That's why you named it.
Great.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning,
So,
Rehan.
ma'am, when are you going back?
I am going back on by next term, I think. I'll start.
Yeah, so yeah, the same photo. The same photo.
Yeah, he's a nice guy. Cute, right?
Yeah. Yeah, you have only the photo, only that photo of with your
Dog.
yeah.
He is right now 5 years old. Ah.
5.
Do you guys have pets? Anyone?
Yeah, I have
No.
kittens.
A cat?
I did have a bird and it died. I did have a jellyfish and it died. I did have 5 chicken and one died and we gave it away.
Why
My
everyone is dying in your home?
grandma.
All the pets have died?
No, ma'am. Maybe his house is poisoned. But it's run away. Man is in my hand.
Yes, Amila.
Yes.
Amila.
No, I have a pet. It's a fish. Its name is Leo. It's a cute name, so.
Leo. Okay. Yes, Ayman has a pet.
It's not. My grandpa told
I
have a
have
fish.
Let Ayman speak. Yes, Ayman.
I have a fish and a bird, but it usually died.
Fish and bird. Ah,
But the bird died.
bird died. Another death in the family.
Ma'am, do you know that was like when it was going to die, I saw it.
Yes, Lazel. Let's hear Lazel's pet story.
My grandpa and grandpa said they have lots of chicken, but they got eaten by lots of dog, like 6 dogs or 8.
That happens in India.
And if I see a dog coming inside our house, I will take a rock. My grandpa told me, Mom, I'm scared of dogs.
You're scared of dog?
And they died. And we did had 2 parrot. One died, and one is like been with me years, and now like 9 years died 1 year ago.
Yeah,
It
this
died.
I have in my home. 13 chickens, 1 rooster, 9 deaths, out of which 5 are like very small, one just hatched.
And I had 5 chicken. One died and it is orange color, and 4 is given away. Ma'am, Dana, one thing. My grandpa and grandparents are going to Dubai, and I am going to Saudi.
Hiya.
Who will take care of the chickens? Ma'am, I before in this house, like my mother's house, there were like 10 cats or more, and then like now there's like stray cats, but they're also like they also come inside, and that's one of our stray cats name is Tutu, and then it has 3 babies, 3 white babies, and also on top there's our roommates, and then they have a big cat called Meow. It's like a black and brown, and then there is a duplicate like a baby of that, like the same thing, baby. And then there's also a gray, a black one, stripes, and then there's also like a only black one. The before I was like only petting the white one because I was scared the black one was big, so it was bite me. It's not that big, but like the kittens are still small, but they're like the other white ones are a little bit smaller. So then I already pet them. But then when I was going to touch them, they were hissing, and then I was like, no, no, thank you, no, thank you. And then I went to the other. What is there?
Okay.
And then I went to the other ones, kittens, and those ones were letting me pick them up. So then I became friends with them.
That's nice.
Ma'am,
What
ma'am.
about Ihan? Ihan.
And
Do you
now,
have pet, Ihan?
this is the first time in a long lifetime has Ihan come to us. My papa's house, my papa's house, we buy a star, but my grandpa is open the door night and we come morning is not singing. It's go outside.
Is it a squirrel?
Yeah. Oh,
Well,
I've petted a hamster. I've got a hamster in my hand. Can I tell you something?
Hyman?
I did a pet, but this is a story. Me and my cousin brother went to find my sister, and the time we went right.
Hyman, yesterday she was playing, you were disturbing her.
Yes, I know it.
Very bad.
And when we went, went with my cousin and my cousin brother. So when we were going, we saw a dog. My cousin went. Ma'am, next period is recreation, ma'am. Next period is recreation. Me and my cousin brother were scared. Something. Me and my cousin brother were scared and like I did. What should we do? Like the dog was coming, approaching for us.
What did you do?
I was he was like being like shake, and one uncle came. I mean, one aunt came and rode a rock and went. And after I went to my cousin's.
There's one very
After
nice story. My turn.
and I forgot about my one pet.
My story first, listen. Snow is this
My
small,
friend.
this small. There was a big dog who was sitting quietly in his cage, but cage was open, but chain was there, so we thought it was chained. The Snow went, he started barking at the big dog. Snow is this much, okay? The big dog didn't do anything. Second time he barked, big dog didn't do anything. Third time he barked, big dog got annoyed. He started grunting towards Snow. Guess what my dog did? Anyone can guess what Snow did?
Run back.
Yes, listen.
It go back in your house or the cage. It attacked it.
No,
Went to the owners.
my dog
It
jumped
bite.
on
It
me,
hit
on my
him.
head. Jump, and my dog was like this. And you know what the big dog did? He bit me here, and big dog went itself.
Your dog came on top of your head.
Yes, I got 6 injections both hand, two each month.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Oh my god,
Dog
man.
is
Your dog very heavy or you need to give injections to dogs so that when they bite you you don't get infected.
Yeah, I got 6 injections. That was painful. But still,
Ma'am,
the
ma'am.
dog was sleeping. What need was there to go and bark on him?
Ma'am, can I tell you something? Can I tell you something?
Yes.
One day I tried to chase from a pit bull. Pit bull. Do you know what? I was in my cycle and I was trying to crash that.
Where is your recreation? Will the teacher come here or you have to go there?
We have to go to the recreation, ma'am.
Go. Bye, people. I'll see
Bye,
you.
ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye-bye.
Tomorrow, ma'am, tomorrow let's discuss about our crystals and stuff.
Okay, done. Deal.
Bye.
Bye.